Ban iarap eki khynnah school na do dang khynnah hadu ban kenjo jinglong samlalu jong ka jilla Meghalaya kibadan ka jing ha ka bor perkhat ki basngo khuslai sngaumong ban let che ki Daka pule yo sha kren ben sha khenpo na ba ki sngo bakim kot bor ha ki jingnang jingtip kum ki bei bat ki para khynnah school nangta ki badan kam ka jingtei ban pelet jingmut bat kumjo ki basngo ba ka ne ka jingduna ha ka bor perkhat ka dei ka jingpang kumta ka mental health foundation ka lapin long ye ki jinglet asalok sha ki school ba pher ha ki ne ki arsnam badang ya na do usnam ar jar saw man yarap ye ki khynnah school ki kimi ki pa bar kumchu ru ki nong hikai bakin la ban shim ye ki sin jam ban ye trailang ban sngo tho mar kalyang khanang ban te ya ka bha ka miat jong ki khynnah school Habakranch ke lat pathai ko board u Dr. Sanjay Kumar General Secretary ka Mental Health Foundation bat Kamita Mishra ka bayalam ya ka project ka mind activation through education kile tho balingba ki program ba pher kila la ban yarap ye ki babun ki school ha Meghalaya kile tho bahapo ki program jong ka mate kila la ban let ya salok hadu san hajar ngot tam ki khynnah ha ki ar pusan tali ki school jong ki pratali ki district jong ka khasi chantia bat garo nangta pala lai hajar ngot ki nong hikai bat ki kimi ki pa Daka ba ki la sami ki jing hikai jing pen sngo tho ha pedeng jong ki bat la pen long ru kom ban riu tali ki development community awareness program ling ba ki workshop layat ho baling ba ki jingwat banya bat jing slok ka la pen I ya ki jing kieu ba ki khynnah school ban pen le jingmut da ka jing slok bat snap ha ya ki jing sham jing sngo khya jong ki ban so shania bat ka bha ka miat ha ka bor jing sngo bat ban shim ben ta shit ham da ka jing pen le jing ha ka pule puthi commit project ka dei ka bala be pisa hapo ka CSR initiative jong ko Oil India Limited bat ka bala kirshan ling ba ka empower ka sarkar Meghalaya bat ka jingerap ki riu shampang ka All India Institute of Medical Health Science yakini ka program la pentelun hapo ka jingpet uranjit rat CMD Oil India Limited o Arun Jyoti Bora CGM Oil India Limited bat jingkmi banya daw Dr. Nat Kumar but Dr. Rajesh Sagar Naka All India Institute of Medical Sciences.
Since from the very beginning of the workshop, I wanted to thank all the teachers.
Every sitting mechanic ini nama ini mungkin kita orang orang yang mungkin segi air pun ini kan kita ini faham tentang sama ini pun
hands and Meghalaya was not there, but we scrapped through press and media.
Members of the press and media fraternity, your presence here today means a great deal to us and we deeply appreciate your time and support. Thank you all for joining us today. My name is Cheryl Solia and I serve as the Associate Program Manager. Joining me are dedicated team members and colleagues who have been closely involved in the implementation of Project MADE. Through Project MADE, reflect on the impact it has created so far and carry the voices forward. We hope this interaction will help highlight expectations around building sustainable support system and deeper community engagement. We sincerely value media in amplifying awareness and fostering meaningful dialogue within the larger community. Your support is vital in helping us reach more people and create greater understanding around mental health and well-being. We look forward
with the introduction to what MADE program is. Okay, so MADE program was developed at AIMS Delhi under the mentorship of Professor Dr. Nand Kumar, who is a professor at the psychiatry department of AIMS Delhi. Now we have adopted this program for the state of Meghalaya and we've been running it for 2 years now. It is supported by Oil India Limited. It is very important actually to emphasize the importance of this phase, the adolescence phase. Okay, the today's press conference in Meghalaya, because we've been running it for 2 years now, and in 2 years we've achieved a lot, I must say, the data of which we will probably share with you guys later. When we did our baseline assessment, we found that 90% of the students in one cohort scored high on anxiety. So you can imagine the level of anxiety that our generation is going through. 88.5% were high on stress levels. Okay, so this is the slide highlighting the base assessment.
Online, and they are getting benefited of that one. And more than 32,000 students have been counseled and aware through MHF program as mental health well-being awareness and cope-up mechanism for the students. So now there were two, another we have launched through again the Dr. Nand and the Dr. Sagar are all behind that. Never alone. So that is always going on, and I'm thankful to the people of Meghalaya as well the team of Project Made Meghalaya, because due to them, you will not believe it, CBSE has adopted this program for the all over India. So one, give a clap for these people who are made people who are working here in Meghalaya. So give a clap for yourself first, because you are the person by whom it has been adopted by the CBSE. Chairman, he come forward and he told, no, this is a good program. Already Meghalaya people are getting benefit. I want to give benefit to all students of CBSE schools and the counselors. So now, not taking too much time because some of their friends are sitting for half an hour. So I will request project lead of this Made Meghalaya, Mita Mishra ji, and she should come here and she can explain what Made is and how the Made has worked and what is the research outcome till date. And after that, I will request her to just tell her all their